Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make quick and easy galletitas de mantequilla. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin baking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by preheating our oven to 350 degrees. Once we have that going on, we're going to add our 2 sticks of salted butter to our bowl and make sure that they're at room temperature. Along with that, 3/4 cup of sugar and a pinch of salt. Now we're just going to mix it until everything is nice and creamy. Okay, so once we have creamed down our butter and sugar, this is what it should look like. Now we're going to add 1 egg. Make sure that it is at room temperature as well, along with 2.5 teaspoons of Mexican vanilla blend. Going to mix it again. Once that's mixed, add 2.5 tablespoons of milk. Mix that in. Now here we're going to add our 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You're just going to mix it until everything is well combined. And now just mix it until you have a smooth paste. And just like that, we have our paste. So now we can get ready to shape our cookies. Okay, now we're just going to transfer our cookie paste into our piping bag. And you can use whatever tip you have, but just make sure that there's no air in the bag. Now that we have that, we can set it to the side. Now for my little filling, I'm going to be using some strawberry glaze. Of course, you can always use jelly as well. But I'm just going to use a little Ziploc bag. Transfer it in there. I'm going to be cutting the end. Okay, now that we have that, we can get ready to make our cookies. All right, now here I already have my baking sheet lined with parchment paper. So we're just going to get our paste and begin to pipe our cookies. And depending on your piping tip, then it depends on the design that you're going to get. Alright guys, so once we have shaped our cookies, now we're just going to poke the center. Make sure to wet your fingers or whatever it is that you're using. We're just going to go in the center and poke it. Okay, now grab your glaze and fill in the center. Okay, once we have our cookies, now we're going to place them in our oven and allow them to bake for 15 minutes. Alright guys, and after 15 minutes, our cookies should have nice golden edges. So now just remove them from the oven and allow them to cool down for a few minutes. Alright guys, so after a couple minutes, we can now get ready to enjoy our delicious cookies. Now let me tell you that I hope you give this recipe a try. These are seriously super quick, easy, and honestly super delicious. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So delicious, melt in your mouth. The best. These right here are seriously my favorite. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious galletitas de mantequilla. I hope you guys are enjoying watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're into my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.